Tapos, ano na lang yung subukan mo. Katawin ko mo. Pero,
Good morning, honorable House leaders, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ryan Ponce Pacpaco, your moderator for today's press conference. It's a pleasure to see everyone for the resumption of our daily briefings. Following the synergy break of Congress last May, I understand that everyone has remained very busy during the recess, covering various committee hearings with equal importance as part of the House of Representatives mandate under the leadership of Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, the leader of Congress. Our House leaders are here to address the most pressing issues of the day, and we hope they can provide clarity to your questions later. To start, I would like to introduce our distinguished guests. We are honored to introduce with us, to join with us, Senior Deputy Speaker Aurelio Dong Gonzales Jr., House Majority Leader Manix M. Dalipe, and Manila Representative Joel Chua. Before we open the floor for media questions, let us allow our distinguished speakers to greet us and give their short opening remarks. SDS Gonzales.
Thank you, Ryan. Good morning to all of us, and especially to our friends from media, our televiewers and listeners. So we're here to answer some various issues of our country. And just wait for other questions. Thank you very much.
Major Dalipe.
Yes, good morning everyone. The third regular session has started, and the House of Representatives under the leadership of Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez is ready to tackle various legislative measures. More importantly, first in our desk that we have to accomplish is the discussion on the proposed 2025 National Expenditure Program, which is the priority legislation which we have to tackle in the House right now, and hopefully in the next few weeks and months we'll be able to exhaustively deliberate on it and pass it and transmit it to the Senate.
Kong Chua po.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng mga kasama natin dito. Nandito po kami upang sagutin sa abot po ng aming makakaya, mga pressing issues po na inyo pong ilalahad po sa amin. So maraming salamat po.
Thank you, our honorable speakers. For today's first question, may I call on Vic Sumintak from Net25.
sir, good morning. Sir, good morning. Yesterday, the Department of Budget and Management submitted the 6.352 trillion National Expenditure Program to Congress, which is 3 weeks ahead of the constitutionality mandate timeline. So, any reaction po on what can we expect from the House of Representatives during the budget season? When are the macro presentation and the committee meetings for the National Expenditure Program scheduled?
First, we would like to congratulate the PB